Raj then trained his guns on Rahul for Congress government in Karnataka giving OBC status to all Muslims. He said this was akin to turning the country into an Islamic state.
ममता बनर्जी बंगाल को बनाना चाहती है मुस्लिम राज्य। वो रोहिंग्या के लिए, घुसपैठियों के लिए रेड कारपेट। आज से पिछले चुनाव में इनके मंत्री कहते थे पत्रकारों को चलिए मिनी पाकिस्तान दिखाता हूँ, यानी बंगाल को भारत का पाकिस्तान बनाना चाहते हैं। ये सारे के सारे जो कल तक पिछड़ों की हिमायती कर रहे थे राहुल गांधी और लालू यादव, वो आज कर्नाटक में उन्होंने पिछड़ों का आरक्षण खत्म कर दिया, मुसलमानों को ओबीसी का दर्जा दे करके। भविष्य में देश में ये इस्लामिक स्टेट बनाना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए मुसलमान को आरक्षण देने की बात करते हैं।
Reaction coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has doubled down on PM's appeasement jab, and BJP citing UPA era notes to attack the Congress party. Let's in fact go across to Priya for more on this. A post, I believe, put out by Amit Malviya. Yes, Priya.
Right. Amit Malviya of the BJP has now come out with the documentary proof of what he says backs up Prime Minister's statement saying that it was the BJP, in fact, who stopped the Congress government in the UPA era from allocating 50% of the budget for minorities. And look at the document that has been cited by Amit Malviya. It is the Government of India Outcome Budget 2013-2014 of the Ministry of Minority Affairs. And this is the document. The part that is highlighted here is from the section which is headed Prime Minister's new 15-point program for the welfare of minorities. Amit Malviya has highlighted this part. It says it also provides that wherever possible, 15% of targets and outlays under various schemes should be earmarked for minorities, as envisaged in the Prime Minister's 15-point program for welfare of minorities, earmarking 15% of physical targets and financial outlays has already been done in respect of most schemes considered amenable to earmarking.
All right, Priya, thank you very much for getting us the details. We also have a reaction coming in from the Congress. Breaking input, in fact, the Congress has hit back at the Prime Minister's comment, and the Congress party is defending itself by saying there's nothing wrong if they spend 15% on Muslims, as it will only be as per their population. Listen in.
That is absolutely false. Even if it is a truth, what's wrong in it? According to population, the resources of the country should be distributed to all. But this never happened, and it was never said by Congress, and there was no plan, and Congress governed the country for more than 50 years. They could have done it, but Prime Minister is lying. He doesn't have anything to reply what he promises.
Niyamika and Pragya joining us with more details. Niyamika, to you first. Udit Raj is defending. First of all, he says Congress never said something like that, did something like that. Then he says even if it did, it is as per the population, as per Abadi of the minority.
Absolutely, yes, that's the clarification on the part of the Congress party. They are saying that whatever PM is saying is absolutely false. He's lying. He had lied earlier also about the Muslim reservation, and now he's once again lying about the 15% budget allocation to the minority communities. However, the Congress leader Udit Raj has also said and defended the Congress party's stand by saying that even if the Congress was planning about it, even if the Congress was ready to give 15% of budget allocation to the Muslim communities or to the minorities, there is nothing wrong in it, because it is being done as per the population of this country. As he said that these communities deserve...
Furthering the Jitni Abadi Utna Haq agenda, perhaps. We have Shahzad Poonawala as well on the broadcast. Shahzad, Udit Raj says nothing wrong in it. Even if it was done, if it is being planned to be done, it is as per the Abadi.
See, first of all, those who are calling Prime Minister a liar, today they must rub their nose and apologize, because it is evident that not only in 2008 the PIB press release says, but even in 2013-14, the outcome budget of Government of India says that Congress wanted to keep 15% for Muslims. And even Prime Minister Manmohan Singh iterated not once but twice that first right of resources belongs to Muslims. And therefore, even though the ecosystem of Congress and their journalists and propagandists were trying to say, no, Prime Minister is lying about Manmohan Singh, today they have to eat humble crow because they have been exposed. And the question is that Congress wants to take away resources of SC, ST, OBC and give it to Muslims. They have done it in AMU, they cut the reservation, they have given it in Karnataka. So the idea of doing religious classification, religious diversification and then giving something that belongs to SC, ST, OBC to Muslims is clear-cut vote bank politics.
All right, Shadat Poonawalla, thank you very much for sharing your views and joining us on this debate. We have breaking inputs coming in. INDI leader Bashir Ahmed has hit back at the BJP. NC leader Bashir Ahmed says BJP is trying to suppress minorities and NC in fact is also justifying the quota, slamming the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let's quickly play other reaction.
हम पाकिस्तान की तरह नहीं है जहां माइनॉरिटीज़ की कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, उनको सुना नहीं जाता। तो अगर कांग्रेस ने ये किया है तो मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहता हूं कि माइनॉरिटीज़ जो हैं सेफ रही उसके ज़माने में। बीजेपी जो है वो माइनॉरिटीज़ के खिलाफ है, वो उनको उभरना नहीं देना चाहती। इनका जो एजेंडा है वो है पोलराइजेशन का। पोलराइजेशन करते करते वो बाकी माइनॉरिटीज़ को भी मसल रहे हैं। तो अब वो जो ये इशू बना रहे हैं कि भाई कांग्रेस ने ये करना है या डरा रहे हैं लोगों को, तो लोग इस डर से बाहर हैं। माइनॉरिटीज़ जो हैं उनकी हिफाजत करना मेजॉरिटी का काम है। वो जिस जगह पे एक स्टेट में मेजॉरिटी कोई हो सकती है, दूसरी स्टेट में माइनॉरिटी कोई और हो सकता है। इसलिए इन नटशेल जहाँ भी माइनॉरिटी है उसकी हिफाजत करना मेजॉरिटी का काम है, उनके इंटरेस्ट को वॉच करना भी मेजॉरिटी का काम है।
We have Pragya on the broadcast. Pragya, on one hand, BJP is putting out documents substantiating what the Prime Minister said. On the other hand, Congress, in fact, defending itself. Their allies also defending, saying that Congress ने ऐसा कुछ किया भी है तो अच्छा है.
Well, you know, the argument that Prime Minister has been making, they have documentary proof of that, and now the BJP is also showing to other voters as well that Congress always stood for appeasement. This is the main peg of the BJP's, statement when it comes from Prime Minister, where he says that 15% of the minority, if Congress comes to power, they will reserve 15% of resources and budget for the minorities, and not just any minority. For Congress, minority means Muslim, is what BJP had always been saying, and they had been giving proof of how Congress appeased Muslims and all. And not just that, there is also a legal glitch in that, because Constitution never says that you have to give reservation or you have to reserve some budget according to religion. Constitution does not allow that. So BJP is doing a counter attack on Congress also, saying that it is you who is misusing the Constitution.
All right, Pragya, stay on with us. Udit Raj is also with us on the broadcast. Udit Raj, the allegation is that of appeasement.
Yes.
Udit Raj, if you can hear me, respond to the allegations being made.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, please go ahead.
See, what happened, he is not in position to answer or speak about any of his promises, like giving 2 crore employment per annum, doubling the income of farmers, MSP, etc. That's why he is trying to communalize it. So you should ask from the Prime Minister. Media should ask that what have you promised? Many promises you have made.
Udit Raj, but BJP is saying Congress did not just make promises, it was documented as well. Amit Malvi has put out the outcome budget 2013-14.
I know you are playing in hand of ruling party.
I am asking you a counter that is coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party. You are responding to the allegations being made. I am just pointing out the counter that is coming in.
Prime Minister speaks nothing, and that.
There is some issue in the line connecting with Udit Raj. But Udit Raj, they're hitting back at the BJP and the Prime Minister, saying that they're just trying to divert attention and are trying to polarize. That's the allegation. The counter coming in from Congress. A quick break. With that, news and updates will continue.